Good morning, Philippines. Here is our news for today. The Facebook fever. On January 2009, Compete.com had a study and has ranked Facebook as the most used social network by worldwide monthly active users. Facebook is a social networking site owned by Facebook Incorporated. It is the trend of people not only here in the Philippines but also in the whole world. Facebook is like Friendster where users can add friends and send them messages and update their personal profiles to notify their friends. Mark Zuckerberg founded Facebook with his college roommates and fellow computer science students, Eduardo Florin, Zillow Moscovitz, and Chris Lujan, while he was a student at the prominent Harvard University. It is later expanded further to include that any university student and high school student, then finally to anyone 13 years old and above. The website currently has more than 300 million active users worldwide. Facebook has met with some controversy. It has been banned at many places of work to discourage employees from wasting time using the service. Facebook is also facing several lawsuits from Zuckerberg's former classmates, who claim that Facebook has stolen their source code and other intellectual property. Facebook helps to get in touch with long-lost friends. Without it, the internet would be so boring. Once again, I'm Regine Alacapa for the E! News.